We're currently out here at 1518 Parkside Drive East. There's several cleanouts on the property. We're currently in the driveway. We're going to be going down this one, and this one goes upstream towards the front of the property. We're going to be cameraing several lines today. It's a clay sewer. Seems to be in pretty good shape. No major offsets, no root intrusion. That concludes all the clay on this upstream line. No water pooling, which shows good grade. You can see by my camera indicator we're at a solid 1 to 2% slope, which is code requirement. So currently we're going to be going downstream via 4-inch cleanout in driveway. Line appears to be STR35, which means it has been replaced through that section. Now we're in clay. No pooling water, no root intrusion, no major offsetting. Seems like a very good line for the age of it. City main line, and we're there. Currently we are in the back of the property. There's a two-way clean out, upstream, downstream. These will actually go around the side of the house and link up with those cleanouts that we were cameraing through earlier. We're gonna go upstream first. A little bit of toilet paper here. Looks like we're inside of a downspout line. So as far as we're gonna go with this, it's just downspouts. Now we're going to be going downstream. Pipe seems to be very clear. No major pulling of water, no offsetting. The pipe is making several small turns in it to get around the corner. No root intrusion. A small bit of toilet paper in there. And we're currently at the PVC cleanouts that we cameraed from earlier. Now we're going to pull back. And that concludes this whole sewer line.